Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and how about that last video? Yeah, well, we won't be talking about that right now. Today we're going to be talking about table visual custom totals. I've received this from a number of different people that on the basic of the roadmap for Fabric in the Power BI category. There is this table visual custom totals. So options to add a custom total in a table visual Q1 2026, which Q1 is January, February, March, right? We're talking fiscal calendar, like Gregorian calendar, not a fiscal calendar. But so, yeah, so supposedly either this month or next month, we're supposed to get table visual custom totals in Power BI desktop. Now, am I excited? I've been getting this question a bunch of different people. And the and the answer is I don't think I am, because I don't think this means what I think it needs to mean, right? Where they actually fix measure totals and table visuals, right? And I don't know why isn't matrix visual custom totals on the list? But anyway, so there's two ideas out there in the ideas forum, right? There's the one that I've always um, linked people to, and trust me, this one right here, matrix table grand totals with measures, right? It'd be great if grand totals on matrix or table would add up correctly to the sum of the rows, right? So this is the classic problem, right? And trust me, I went through all the ideas and I had them collapse, all the ideas I could that all mention measure totals in table and matrix visuals into this idea, right? That's one of the reasons why this idea grew so quickly, is because I went and sorted out and basically said, hey, you need to link all these different ideas together. So this is the original, right? And this is the one that went from like basically like in the tens of thousands in terms of ranking to right now it's top 19. It's in the top 40 or top. See, there's 20 per thing. So it's in the top 100 of overall ideas, okay? And of ideas that are still like not completed or been rejected, whatever, it's number 19 right now. So, and this is the one I always link to in my meme posts, right? And it specifically calls out fixing the totals, right? The grand totals would sum the rows, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Now, somewhere along the line, this was in like, they went and redid the ideas site a couple times, and they came up with these epic ideas, right? They just appeared out of nowhere. Um, and they seem to be some kind of like, hey, we're going to take a bunch of ideas and collapse them into a single idea, right? So this one is Epic Idea Custom Totals for Tabular Visuals. Now it is ranked, right now, it is ranked. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's ranked 12th on the ideas list, right? And of unfinished ideas or not completed ideas, it is ranked, I think, 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Now, the problem with both of these is that this one says it needs votes, right? It's not planned. Like if you would think that if this was this idea, then shouldn't this say planned, right? And same with this one. If this is this idea, right now it says under review, shouldn't it say planned, right? Now, could be that Microsoft Power BI team is just bad at updating their websites, right? They're just bad at updating the ideas site. Could be that. But the question then becomes is, does this really mean the same thing as this idea, right? Are they the same idea? Well, this idea says enabling customized calculations at the query level for subtotals and grand totals would offer greater flexibility in reporting and preserve performance. Efficient organization of control settings to modify the style of these totals separately will empower report creators. So the question becomes, right, is what does this really mean? This thing right here. Table visual custom totals. Is the customization in the styling, like I can make I can make it red, like maybe conditional formatting. I can make it red or green depending on condition, or I can individually control the total roll or the grand total roll or some roll up roll. What does this really mean? Um, I don't know yet. I guess we'll be finding out in a month or two what this really actually refers to, and whether it is this idea, right, where custom totals are tabular visuals, or it's this idea, matrix table grand totals. But there has to be some kind of distinction between these custom totals for tabular visuals, like enabling customized calculation. This right here, this idea, or else why isn't this idea rolled into this idea? Or is this just, their way of saying, F you, Greg, we're not going to promote your, we're not going to fix your idea that you've been promoting. We're going to fix this other idea. That way we don't don't get any credit for anything, right? I have no idea what any of it is, but that is why I'm in a wait and see approach about table visual custom totals and whether they're actually going to fix the table visual and the matrix visual eventually as well, I would think. But are they going to fix the table visual where it makes it easy for like end users to get the sum of the rows, right? Because if the table visual custom total is, oh, we're just going to let you enter in a different, DAX, for the total, right? Then that's not fixing the problem, right? It's still the whole point of the problem is to make it easy for end users to get the sum of the rows and not have to write code, right? That's the whole purpose. So we're in a wait and see approach, and I guess we'll find out in a month or two. So that's all I had for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.